Hi, today we're going to be going over how much I spent in the month of March. So usually I do this on Excel, but at this time around I decided to take you guys into my Mint account so you can see exactly what I spent my money on. So to start, in the category of auto and transportation, my auto insurance works out to be $81 per month, and I usually pay that every 6 months. So when it's due, which is actually next month, you can see exactly how much money I spent or plan to spend on it. Next up is car maintenance, which is just oil changes, and that's another sort of sinking fund, and that is $10 a month. And then gas for my car, I spent $117 and I budgeted $145. So I have $28 left to spend in the next few days before the month is over. The next category is bills and utilities, and first up we have the internet, which is $50, and I've spent all of that. My cell phone bill, $70, and utilities were $63 this month. Under business services, we have shipping, and I've been selling my excess items in an effort to declutter on eBay. So that is part of it. And then I also returned an item, so I paid for the shipping for that. And then along with my eBay selling, I purchased some envelopes to ship my items in, and that worked out to be $15 as well. Entertainment, under newspapers, I spent $14 for my monthly subscriptions. Food and dining, we have coffee shops. I ended up spending $5. And then groceries, I decided to up the budget to $300, and it was usually $250 before, and I have spent $269 with $31 left. And then health and fitness, my dental insurance was $37. I spent $32 on a bill, and then my gym membership is $75. My health insurance is $385, and then vitamins and supplements worked out to be $30, and I budgeted $31, so I have $1 left. Under home, my maintenance and fees work out to be $200. I bought some hardware and fixtures for my pending or not so pending, we'll see, home renovation, and that worked out to be $623. So I got some hooks for the bathroom, and then I reordered a faucet that I had ordered before because the first one I received was not what I had ordered. Then home decor, I spent $338 of $250, so I have $12 left. My home insurance works out to be roughly $28 a month, and I pay that every year, so that's another sinking fund. I spent $352 on a light fixture, and I had budgeted $355, so $3 left. Personal care, skincare was $25, and that was just for some sunscreen. Shopping, I budgeted $500 for clothing, and I spent $585. And that is because I have an order pending for around $300, and 99% of the time I return half of the things that I purchased because they never look how I expect them to look, so they end up getting returned. So once the returns are through, I will definitely have spent less than $500. And then jewelry, I spent $104 on a ring, and that's this ring here. And then travel, I spent $75 on a rental car because there was a warning light in my car, so I left it at the mechanic. So I rented a car for the time period that it was there, and that was all the money that I spent for March. And in total, I spent $303,498, and initially I had budgeted $489, so I went over by $9. And like I said, I'm going to be returning some items, so I will be under budget once everything is totaled out. And that is it for my March 2020 spending. If you have any questions, definitely leave them below. Let me know how your spending went for March. Did you go over or under budget? Leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.